Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Chefhandy 5-in-1 Baby Food Maker, a versatile and essential tool for busy parents looking to prepare nutritious meals for their little ones. This all-in-one baby food processor offers a range of functions, including steaming, blending, auto and manual blending, and even warming milk, making it suitable for all fruits, vegetables, and meats. The unique nutrient-preserving steaming basket locks in essential vitamins and controls moisture content, ensuring your baby gets the maximum nutritional benefits. With intelligent operation features like auto blend and manual blend options, along with a smart touchscreen control panel and a clear countdown timer, achieving the perfect consistency for your baby's meals has never been easier. Safety is a top priority, as this machine is crafted from food-grade PP material and includes advanced features like a water shortage reminder and dry burning prevention to protect the device from damage. Plus, the comprehensive accessories include a handy baby food recipe book to guide you in creating delicious and healthy meals. Backed by a 1-year after-sales service and round-the-clock customer support, the Chefhandy Baby Food Maker ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind throughout your parenting journey.